If you're building a business, it is super important to understand your niche or your ideal client so you truly understand their needs, wants, and desires, and you can appeal to them with your content and with your voice and with your message. Today, I want to share with you a really quick test that you can employ to make sure that you're on the right track, and also so you can make sure that you are going in the direction of picking a profitable niche. Because heck, when you put in the effort, you want to get paid, right? Welcome to the Wired to Crush It show. This is where we talk about business and money strategies to help you build a wildly successful life. My name is Tanya Eliza, and I will be your host today. And I use a lot of these same strategies that we talk about, and they have helped me to build a multiple seven-figure business. My hopes is that they help you in just the same way that they've been able to help me. Now, before we dive in, and I share with you this really quick but very important test to help make sure that you are in a profitable niche, you have a profitable direction, an ideal client that you're attracting to yourself. I want to share with you something really exciting that is coming depending on when you're watching or listening to this episode. We have Digital Course Academy 2023 opening its doors for enrollment very soon. Digital Course Academy is a program that is hosted by my virtual mentor, Amy Porterfield, and she only opens the door to Digital Course Academy one time per year. I get the amazing opportunity, which I'm grateful for, to be able to share Digital Course Academy with you and share with you all the magical details that it can provide to your life. Being a course creator and learning how to create a profitable digital course to help create an online business for me was one of the best decisions that I ever made. In fact, it was quite life-changing. And to have this opportunity available to you with doors for enrollment that are opening or opening soon, depending on when you're watching or listening, I want to share with you where you can go and get all of the juicy information and details. And you can also see the very special bonus that we are putting together for you that you get to come to and hang with me live and have me help you build, grow, and scale your digital course after you've been through the program with Amy. So all of the details for what we're specifically doing and all the exciting, juicy details are ready for you over at tanyaeliza.com/DCA. And all the details will be there. So make sure to go there because when enrollment closes for 2023, it's closed, it's gone, and this opportunity will be gone forever. And I don't want you to miss it. I'll leave a link where you're watching this video or listening to this episode in the show notes below. But again, you can go to tanyaeliza.com/DCA. So you might hear that the fastest way to grow your business is to understand who your ideal client or buyer is and truly know all of their wants, their desires, their pains, their struggles, their challenges, and what they want, what they don't want in life, and having a very clear understanding of what that is. And that typically can equal an easier marketing journey and a more successful business. However, the real secret is not just clearly understanding who your ideal client is, but making sure that that ideal client has a big enough pain that your product or service can solve. People move away from pain faster than they move towards pleasure. So when you really understand the big pain that your ideal client has, the bigger the pain, the bigger the profits. So I'll give you a couple of ideal client examples following this really quick test. So let's say, for example, you sell a weight loss product. And the benefit is obviously you help people to lose weight. Ideal client number one might be a stay-at-home new mom looking to shed the baby weight fast. Ideal client number two might be a single woman looking to get fit and lose weight so they can get back on the dating scene and find love. And an ideal client number three idea might just be for you, well, everybody that wants to lose weight. Now, I know that you probably heard this before, and I'll say it again. If you try to market or speak to people in your marketing message and you try to speak to everyone or you try to market to everybody, you end up speaking to nobody. So again, remember this is so vitally important, right? So people move away from pain faster than they move towards pleasure. So if you're talking about their pain with your product or service being the solution, and you know that is a really big pain that they have, the likeliness of them spending money and becoming a client faster is greater than speaking to their pleasures, which is very strange, right? Because everybody wants to speak about like all the great things it can do versus the bad things that it can help you avoid or get rid of. So the goal is understanding how to speak to your audience's pain and then how to relate or show them how your product or service can help them solve that pain fast. And if we can do that, that equals faster revenue, faster profits. So here are some action steps for you. Number one, you have to know who your ideal client is. For me, in my business and in our community, I like to call this your tribe. So with my clients, I always say like, who's your tribe? And we have an activity called your tribe worksheet. And by the way, I'll leave in the show notes of where you're watching or listening, I will leave my tribe worksheet for you to download for free and fill in the blank. So if you're not quite 100% dialed in yet on who your ideal client is or who your tribe is, please do this quick activity. It will forever serve you and help you in your business. My tribe worksheet can also be found at tanyaeliza.com/321. So the next thing that you want to do after you have your tribe ideal client, whatever you want to call it, your tribe worksheet done, and you understand who it is that you're marketing to or who it is that you want to attract, what are their biggest pains? Circle them, highlight them. What are their biggest struggles? What keeps them up at night? What are they challenged with? What are they worried about? What's bugging them right now, either mentally, physically? What is it? And then you want to highlight those and circle those, and you want to connect again. You want to say, okay, here's how my product or service helps you with this pain. And you want to share in your social media posts and everything like, here's your pain. I understand it. Here's how we can help. And that's number 3. So number 1, understand who it is that you are marketing to or speaking to with your message, understand their pain. And number 3, understand specifically how your product or service can help that pain and demonstrate that. Now, this should give you a brand new enlightening game plan for your social media promotion. Now, we want to talk about, not that we want to go doom and gloom, but we really want to understand and sympathize with our tribe's pain and say, hey, we get you, but here's how we can help you. Now, here's a little interesting thing that I want you to start to think about. You might identify some pains in your tribe that maybe your product or service does not help them with specifically. Now, what I like to call this is a huge opportunity. These can actually give you some really good ideas for a digital course or coaching program that you could provide as an added value, an added benefit, an added stream of revenue, an added stream of income source for you with your existing tribe. And I've specifically been able to use this strategy to grow a multiple 7-figure brand, understanding my tribe's needs, wants, and desires, and helping them with those big pain points and creating programs and coaching plans to help them do the things that are causing pain in their world and alleviate that pain with my programs. Now, one of the programs that I created in my brand, I actually went through my virtual mentor, Amy Porterfield's program in 2021. She released and opened the doors to Digital Course Academy 2021 edition. I purchased that program, even though I had already been creating courses for over a decade. I purchased the program because I wanted to learn some cool strategies that maybe she was implementing that I hadn't thought of yet. So I purchased that program because I had an idea that I wanted to create a digital course, but I wanted her philosophy on how to package and sell it. Now, I'll tell you what, the results of that launch for that program and that idea that I had was absolutely incredible. It created now over $1 million in sales for the brand and for the business. And that is really significantly life-changing if you can think about it. Amy's program was absolutely life-changing and amazing in my world that I'm very excited to share with you that I've been able to partner with her this year and actually share her program with you. So if you've ever had an idea or a desire or a thought, or maybe this is a new thought for you, that you want to create a successful online business through your own digital courses or coaching programs, maybe you have no idea where to start, maybe you have a small idea, you just want to know how to put it all together, Amy's Digital Course Academy is the best point A to point Z program to help you do that. I am a student and living proof of her program. Now, Digital Course Academy is only open for a few days each year for enrollment, so she can work with her next group of students. Depending on when you're watching and listening, I'm going to leave a link in the show notes, or you can go to tanyaeliza.com/DCA and you can get all the details about Digital Course Academy. And you can also get the details of the very, very special bonus plan that I have put together for anybody that purchases Digital Course Academy with us. So I've put together a live in-person workshop that you get a complimentary ticket to as a 2023 Digital Course Academy new student with us. This is an added value of over $2,000, and I'm so excited to put this together for you. And this is a huge passion project for me with you to help you and to connect with you in a way that will help you from point A to point Z with your digital course journey and online business. So my live workshop is specifically designed to complement Amy's Digital Course Academy program. So you'll go through all the steps in creating your own digital course and then work with me for 2 days live. And I get to help you refine your course. I get to help you with all the assets of your course. And then I also get to help you market your course, which is the most important part. So you can generate 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 sales a day with your course. I love the opportunity of being able to create multiple streams of income for myself and my family. Digital courses is a really great way to do that, especially if you're in tune with your audience and you really understand what they're going through and what they need. You can create many different things for them that will help them, that will serve them, and will also create those multiple streams of income for you. So having an understanding of who your ideal client is, understanding that the bigger the pain, the bigger the profits, the bigger the pain in the niche, the bigger the profits, but also with those pains comes incredible opportunity for you to serve at a greater level with your audience and also generate incredible wealth for you and your family through digital courses. So again, I'll leave all the details at tanyaeliza.com/DCA for you. And hopefully you check out all the details we put together for you here in the 2023 enrollment of Digital Course Academy. All right, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Wired to Crush It here with me. And I hope it adds so much value to your life and your business. I release a new episode each week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're notified when that new episode goes live. Make sure to drop us a comment or leave us a review and let us know what you loved most about this episode. And if you know of anybody else in your world that would find value in the topic that we discussed today, make sure to share it with your friend. They'd probably be grateful that you shared it with them. I feature a new community member every single week that takes the time to leave me a review or a comment about the show. So if you could take 2 minutes and do that right now, I'd be so grateful and excited to highlight you next. Tag me on social media. My handle is @TanyaEliza. Let me know what episode you listened to. Let me know what you love most about it. Let's get connected more on social. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now let's go crush our week.